Sashibri. Hello everyone. 5 minutes. Initially of my day, or my routine of my day is a lot of is is quiet. A lot of is it have a lot of the work from the school, especially in in Thai student is called it Krongan, but in English is like a project group, but for me and I think my friends my friend it's quite really hard because it should take a lot of my time. It should take a lot of time. It should take a lot of what is that? It's quite personal perfectionist stuff like that. And yeah, for me it doesn't good like that because now grade 11 term 2 it's for me and for myself it's almost grade 11 grade 12, and this time is I should prepare myself for my admission for my university, but okay it have a lot of work for my school and I should do that. if I do if I do if I what that oh if I if I did if I don't do not that if I do not that I will get a bad grade, and for me and for myself it's not good. So yeah, so okay, so I will try my best for my school and for my prepare for my admission stuff like that. Okay, yeah. And also it's like 2 days that take my video input in my YouTube channel. So everyone, I'm so sorry very much, but in reality this time is 5 it's quite 5 p.m. No 5 p.m. 11 p.m. Yeah, and it's my sleep is in a time of my sleep. So yeah, but I'm think okay today um take the video yet. I'm not take the I did not take video yet, so now kokonimasu. So now I'm in this place and take the video in front of the camera, in front of my iPad. So I think for myself I'm proud a little bit that I can do this. Okay, yeah. And another thing I should recently take video for uploading every day, but I think what's that I I I should focus at correct point, the point that I do the point that I do the what is that the point that I do the video for speaking myself to that is the upgrade my speaking English, and I should focus in that point more than now stuff like that, because I think this recently I'm just taking video for my own happiness of myself, and I think that is not good. I should focus in the correct point. Okay, and in reality tomorrow I have IELTS testing, but it's quite a pre-IELTS testing, and yeah, Okay, it's finished 5 minutes, but I am talking. I'm talking. Okay. Tomorrow I have the IELTS pre-IELTS testing, and yeah, it's just a pre. Doesn't the real IELTS testing, but okay. I think for myself, I can. I because that is the IELTS test that and okay. I know that it's not easy, but I will try my best that I can do in this day. Okay, so everyone, see you next video. Bye.